Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 1/18 scale video. In today's video we have this Max American Classics Premium Diecast Collection, and we have the 1957 Chevy Bel Air. So this is more on the cheaper side, but this was actually my first bought model when I was in Norway. So it is quite special to me in that case. There's not much information. I think this was released in 2011, at least that's what it says in the back there. Max Toy Factory. No, a while ago, for sure. So I'm gonna stop talking and let's bring this guy out. Let me show it off closer. So, well, that came off by itself. See if I can get the plastic off without breaking anything. No, I can't take it off, so I'll just have to unscrew it this way and then show off the car. That way. Let's see what type of screws do we have got in there. And this will just do fine. There's one. There's no screws in there, so total of 3 screws is what I put it on back when I was moving from Norway. This thing has never been off the, well, not never, it came off the base when I was, I believe, visiting, not actually visiting, but I had it off the base for a little bit when I was living in my previous place. And since then, for a couple of years, it's been sitting on the in the display box. Let me get all this stuff away. I'll deal with that later. So oh, it's pretty hot. I'm sorry. Me it's a bit dusty, so it needs some cleaning. Without breaking anything off, hopefully. Okay. So, here you go. It's quite heavy when you get them out of the box, I can tell you that. This guy does come with a quite well detailed base. As you can see, the wheels do turn. It also has back suspension. As you can see, everything moves. The drive shaft doesn't work on these, but that's usually, I think that's mostly an our world thing. For this scale, the roof is plastic, so I wouldn't suggest holding it by the roof at all. There's your front details. Like I said, it's a bit dusty, I'm sorry about that, but this grill piece is actually a glued in piece, so it's not like an actual piece in there that is like see-through or anything. We do have an opening hood with a very big space. It was biting me. Well, I don't know why they made this like with such a big space in here. I never actually researched that, but the engine is in the back there. As you can see, Chevy. So it's a Chevy small block monthly or something like that, and that's why maybe this so far. I'm not fully sure. Never researched it. I'm so sorry about that, but We have nice lensed headlights. Not the best color combo in my opinion. Just like light blue, and it could have been a white roof. I think it would look way better. But it is what it is. I could ask a customizer. I know somebody who can make this actually blue. Not blue, but white. And make it look much better, maybe. But I don't really want to customize models that come originally as they are. So here's your back stuff. One interesting thing that I found out, like maybe like about 6 or 7 years ago, is that they have the gas tank behind one of these fins. So see it as like this comes down, there's like this little separate piece. It does open up and there's a gas tank in there, like where you fill up the gas, which is quite weird, but interesting and weird at the same time. This one has nice, very wide, like 90-degree opening doors. Very basic interior. It's all plastic. As you can see, the steering wheel does turn when you turn the wheels. So these doors are like on springed. So that's pretty simple. So yeah, nothing too much. The molding is pretty basic. Well, it's all plastic, so it's not painted. The windshield wipers are very basic, just one big piece. Looks like it's just colored. Comes with this molding that comes on the bottom, probably. That's what it looks like, at least. Let me put it down. As you can see now, I can show it like the suspension does work for the back. Also same for the front. As you can see, it does work. So that's a very cool feature. Although it is a cheaper model, but it has this cool feature that you can like lower it down. Maybe you can customize and make a lowrider or something out of it. It's pretty cool and overall. And it does also roll, as you can see. So that's pretty cool in its own way. So there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video on this one. I hope to get some more other color variations or convertible of this guy in the future, because this is my third most favorite car in the world. My first one's the Dodge Charger, then see the 68 or 69, and I forgot, I think it's the 68 El Camino, and then this 57 Bel Air. Definitely. I'm sorry if my voice is like a little bit quiet now. It's because it is stupidly hot outside, and of course it's very stupidly hot inside, so I'm a bit dried out. So yeah, there you have it. So hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.